Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question I got asked is one I've heard of before, and that is this: can I change my Google account email address to another email address? But before I answer that question, hit that subscribe button. I've got more content coming out on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. I've experienced that. I have a Gmail account. It's teddyburris@gmail.com. I've had that forever. I ought to go look and see when I created it. I'll drop the date on the video when I edit it. So I've had teddyburris@gmail.com forever. I also have a teddyburris@hotmail.com that is actually no longer active, that I didn't want to lose. As I transitioned over to Google Workspace with the domain name of teddyburris.com and burrisconsulting.com. So I got a group of email addresses there. I no longer want to use, for the most part, the teddyburris@gmail.com. I want to use, and I do, since about probably around 2009, been using tlburris@burrisconsulting.com pretty much for everything. But I don't want to lose teddyburris@gmail.com. So here's what I've done. I've set up first of all, I exported out all my contacts out of teddyburris@gmail.com, and then I imported those into my contacts for tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. The second thing I did is I went through the documents that I had on teddyburris@gmail.com that were important, and the documents and the sheets and the forms, and I put those all in one folder, and I shared that folder for full editorial rights to tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. Now then I went into tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. I imported the contacts, and I went into Drive, and I found that folder that was shared with me in Drive. Now, what I had to do was I had to right click and I had to download all of that content. And it was a little tedious, but once I had it all downloaded, then what I did was I then imported it. I used the new folder upload, and I uploaded it all into my business Google Drive account. Now, tedious, but I got it. Now, in regards to the email, I did not transfer the email. I left all that email in the teddyburris@gmail.com account, and I set up a forward in my Gmail so that all the email that came in to my account, into that Gmail account, I set it all up so it would all forward to my business account, and I then deleted it. Because once it was in my business account, I didn't need to see it anymore. So the bottom line is, you can't just change your email address in a Google account. What you have to do is create another Google account, and then create a process to either export and import the data into your new account, download and import all the docs and sheets and forms into your new account, and then set up a forward for all of the emails, so any email that comes into that account moving forward goes to the new account. Now, by the way, what I did with calendar was I left the old calendar there, and I just connected the calendar so that I could get to the calendar and see that without having to transfer it in. Basically, what I did was I just added a calendar. I added a calendar and connected to the Gmail account calendar. Bottom line, it can be done. The easiest way to do it is to import what you can import and link to what you can link to, and create forwards to the new account. If you create a YouTube channel, you could go to that YouTube channel and transfer ownership from that Gmail account to the new Gmail account using the YouTube processes. Same thing with Google Analytics. You can add another account to Google Analytics and some of those other higher end Google products. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.